traffic secrets number 9. Okay, and I'm outside because even though I'm used to working at home, it's been crazy being forced to stay inside. So I'm outside. Okay, traffic secrets number 9, guys. This is good. This is fill your funnel with paid ads. Okay, guys, if you're new to my channel, I'm going to ask you to subscribe, especially if you're into video marketing and affiliate marketing. So hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my videos, and give me a like on this video. And of course, share it, guys, share it. Okay, let's do this. When it comes to paid ads, okay, I'm going to look a little bit to my right because I have notes. You can learn through online programs, so you can take like courses and stuff I've done it for paid ads to learn how to do it yourself, or you can outsource and hire somebody else. I am good enough to get myself in trouble, so I kind of try to stay away from at least the Facebook paid ads. I can do it, but I'm not that great. I'm just saying. All right, you need to understand your ad, okay? Like, if you do outsource, you need to understand what is going on, what the purpose is. Not just, hey, I want to advertise for this. You need to know how, what, when, where, and why. Especially if it's someone that you're not for sure how their talents and stuff are with advertising. Okay, there's 2 things that they mostly talk about, that Russell mostly talks about, and it's prospecting and retargeting. Okay, prospecting is getting attention, getting engagement on your ad. So there's a lot of times I'll do an ad and it's just for people just to see it, because I just want them to see it. I don't necessarily need them to click on it. So, but then there's also retargeting, which retargeting is everyone that has shown interest. So anyone that's, clicked on your stuff, anyone that has showed like they actually, they care, they're interested in your offer. Common sense, right? Anyways, it took me a long time to understand what retargeting is, so just saying. Also, Russell says if you can overlap, which I'm just being honest, I never thought about this till this chapter. If you can overlap with more things in common with your ad, so like if the person is, into more than one thing, target that person on more than one thing. And then after I read them, I'm like, duh, that makes freaking sense, This book is great. It's my favorite book, guys. Also, there is an 80-20 rule, prospecting ads. So, which makes sense, because if you quit, then you won't have no one to retarget, because it makes sense, you're prospecting, and then you go to retarget them. Yeah, that was kind of cool. And from everybody that I've talked to that knows more about ads than I do, retargeting is key. So, retarget. Okay, 3 main things I wanted to point out: engaged audience, landed audience, and an owned audience. This was good. Write this down. So the last thing I have to tell you, but this is important: engaged audience, landed audience, and an owned audience. Okay, you wonder what those 3 are? An engaged audience is where, like, share, subscribe, you're engaged. And then a landed audience is they've landed on your page. They're showing interest. They are interested. And own audiences took your lead magnet. Like, you got them in. So they've taken real interest. They clicked on your lead magnet. They're interested in what you got, which is perfect to retarget. So if you've taken anything out of this, definitely those 3 things, and the prospecting and retargeting when it comes to ads. Okay, I'm trying to make these as short as possible. I hope you like the video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, if you hear anything in the background, because I'm outside, like, share the video, guys. Okay, I hope you're liking this. If you're liking these, do me a favor, leave me some comments, guys. I greatly appreciate it, negative or bad. All right, until until the next video. I'll see you then.